Alright, watching the fidget spinner spin. 3, 2, 1. Watching it spin.
Did you see the strawberry one? There's one that's shaped like a big strawberry. Did we go to the carnival today? Oh yeah. Did you ride on something?
Done.